Welcome to this training on ICH Q9, Quality Risk Management. By the end of this session, you will be able to define Quality Risk Management, or QRM, according to ICH Q9. Understand the four key elements of the QRM process. Apply common QRM tools such as FMEA, FTA, and HACCP. Recognize how QRM integrates with other pharmaceutical systems and implement QRM in daily operations and regulatory decision-making. Let's begin. Quality risk management is not just a compliance requirement. It is a mindset, a culture of proactive problem-solving. ICH Q9 was first introduced in 2005 and revised in 2023 as Q9 Revision 1. It provides a systematic process for assessing, controlling, communicating, and reviewing risks to product quality and patient safety. This matters because pharmaceutical manufacturing is complex, and any failure, no matter how small, can impact patient health. ICH Q9 defines risk as the combination of the probability of occurrence of harm and the severity of that harm. There are two key components: probability, which asks how likely is it to happen, and severity, which asks how bad would it be. For example, a mislabeled aisle may be unlikely, but its severity is extreme. The wrong drug could be administered, therefore the overall risk is high. The QRM process has four main steps. Step 1 is risk assessment, risk identification, risk analysis, and risk evaluation. Step 2 is risk control, making decisions to reduce or accept risk. Step 3 is risk communication, sharing risk information across departments. Step 4 is risk review, a continuous process of monitoring and improving risk understanding. Common tools used in QRM include FMEA, or failure mode, and effects analysis, FTA, or fault tree analysis, HACCP, Ishikawa or fishbone diagrams, and risk matrices. Let's look at an example using FMEA for a granulation process. Failure mode: powder not blending uniformly. Cause: incorrect mixing time. Severity equals 7. Occurrence equals 4. Detection equals 6. RPN equals 168. This is medium to high risk and requires control actions. Controls may include SOP adjustments, operator retraining, or automatic timers. QRM is used across functional areas: QA, QC, deviation classification and kappa evaluation, production, cleaning validation and change control, regulatory affairs, submission strategies and specifications, engineering, calibration and maintenance, warehousing, temperature control, and supply chain risk. The 2023 update to ICH Q9 highlights managing subjectivity by using cross-functional teams, defining scoring criteria, and encouraging data-driven decisions. Always document scoring rationales. Risk communication includes management reviews, inspection responses, and product recall decisions. Risk review is triggered by process changes, data updates, or regulation changes. Examples: APQRs and audit findings. QRM integrates with ICH Q8, Design and Development, ICH Q10, Quality Systems, ICH Q. Lifecycle management. Risk-based decisions should be transparent, science-based, and proportional. Minor changes may not need revalidation if a QRM justification is documented. All QRM activities must be scientifically justified, traceable, and reviewable. Standard templates help ensure quality documentation. Common pitfalls: treating QRM as a checkbox, inconsistent scoring, lack of review or communication, insufficient training. Case study: an operator misses a small component during line clearance. Severity is high, occurrence is moderate, and detection is low. RPN is high. Control measures are needed. Follow up after 3 months to reassess. In summary, QRM includes assessment, control, communication, and review. It uses tools like FMEA and HACCP. It ensures compliance, reduces failures, and protects patients. Quick quiz. What are the 3 elements in FMEA? Severity, occurrence, detection. Which tool identifies causes of sterility failure? Fault tree analysis. How do you reduce subjectivity? Cross-functional teams and scoring definitions. Why is QRM important for regulatory affairs? It supports risk-based submissions. Resources: ICH Q9R1, WHO TRS 981, Annex 2, PDA Report 54, ISO 14971, and Jose Rodriguez Perez book. Thank you for completing this training. Apply what you've learned to enhance compliance and ensure patient safety.